Hi and welcome to the second episode of our Flutter Fighters series. My name is Matt and I will be helping you get started with Flutter. To watch our previous episode, click here. We publish new episodes every Wednesday at 4 p.m. Subscribe to never miss our videos. Today we are going to focus on your environment. I'm going to guide you step by step through what you need to actually get started with Flutter. I'm also going to share my tips on how to do your setup and what useful software you can download to make your life easy. All the important links will be in the description box below. Let's get started! So, the first step is to get the newest Flutter version from flutter.dev and unzip the package. Or you can clone a GitHub repository from the link below. I personally recommend using the GitHub method because it's much easier. Also, if you never used GitHub before, you should get familiar with it because it's a crucial tool for every developer. Next, you need to permanently add Flutter to your path. Here's how you can do it on Mac OS. In your user catalog, for example Macintosh hd/user/your username, create a new folder Developer and paste your Flutter files there. Next, open the terminal and write the following comments. Then click Enter. And here is how to do it on Windows. Open the CMD console and type in the following. To ensure it has been installed successfully, add this to your path environment variable, then restart the console. Next up, install Android Studio. Then open the SDK manager, go to Plugins and add Dart and Flutter. The next thing you need to do is to install xCode. You will also need to install the cocoapods extension. In the terminal, type down the following. Alright, this is optional, but it will make your life easier. Install Visual Studio Code, go to Extensions and add the Dart and Flutter plugins. Visual Studio is much faster than Android Studio and easier to write code in. The last thing you need to do is run the Flutter Doctor to check your setup. Type in Flutter Doctor in the terminal, click Enter and it will run a quick scan. If everything is all green, we are good to go. If there are no device available pop-up, it just means you don't have your emulator open, but don't worry about that for now. Great, you are ready to start coding. Alright, that's it for today's episode. In the next one, we will start coding your first app. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. You can also visit our Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn for updates and behind the scenes content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.